Today we're watching something special. This is the Hawaii Mars, one of the largest flying boats ever built, starting up for the first time in 8 years. Listen to that sound. That's 10,000 horsepower coming to life. So what exactly is a flying boat? It's pretty simple. Unlike regular planes that need runways, a flying boat takes off and lands directly on water. The bottom of the plane is shaped like a boat hull, which lets it float and taxi across lakes or oceans. The Hawaii Mars uses 4 massive radial engines, those round engines you see on the wings. Each one has pistons arranged in a circle, kind of like the spokes on a bicycle wheel, all working together to spin the propeller. Here's why this aircraft is so rare. Only 7 Martin Mars planes were ever built back in the 1940s. Today, just 2 still exist, and Hawaii Mars is the only one that can still fly. For decades, it worked as a firefighting plane in British Columbia, scooping up thousands of gallons of water from lakes to drop on forest fires. That's why it's painted in those distinctive red and white colors, the livery of Coulson flying tankers. But this flight on August 1st isn't about fighting fires. It's a test flight after sitting still since 2016. The crew needs to make sure everything works properly because this plane is about to make one final journey. They're preparing to fly it to Patricia Bay near Victoria, where the BC Aviation Museum will take ownership. After that, Hawaii Mars will never fly again. It'll become a museum piece, a piece of history preserved for future generations to see up close. Watch as it taxis across Sproat Lake. The pilots are checking the controls, testing how it handles on the water. Then comes the moment everyone's waiting for. The engines roar to full power, the nose lifts, and this 30-ton giant breaks free from the water surface. For a plane this old and this big, it's remarkable to see it climb into the sky one more time. This is aviation history in motion, the end of an era for these magnificent flying boats.